Welcome back to Law School 101. My name is Ariana, and I'm here to teach you all things you need to know about law school. We're within a series within a series. At this point, we're talking about classes that you would take as a first-year law student. One of those classes will be legal writing. Every school formats legal writing differently. It might be paired with legal research. It might be on its own. It might be something you take first and second semester, right? There's a lot of variety, okay? Broadly speaking, you will likely write something that is persuasive and something that is non-persuasive. So what does that mean? Something that is persuasive is where you are trying to make an argument on behalf of your client and show whoever it is that you're writing it to, likely a court, that you are correct, that your position, your client's position is correct, and your client is the one in the right position, right? In contrast, a non-persuasive legal writing exercise would be a partner at a law firm asks you to analyze whether or not the claim is likely to be successful. Okay, so you're going to look at the case law, the statute, the regulation, and determine whether or not it is likely that your client will succeed. And you're going to give the partner at that law firm, right, a clear picture of whether or not it may go well, right? Whether or not you may win this case. And so those are kind of the two differences between persuasive and non-persuasive. And it's likely that during your legal writing course, you will do both of those. You will also learn things like, how do you write anything in the law, right? What's the order that you do it in? And this is where, issue, rule, analysis, conclusion will come into play in your legal writing. That's not just something that you will discuss, that you will analyze, and that you will use as a tool during your final exams, right? It's something that you will actually use in practice with your legal writing. And so those are the types of things you will discuss in legal writing. Obviously, like I said, there is a lot of variety between law school to law school, but that's an overarching view of what that will look like. If this content was helpful for you, please save it, share it with a friend. There's a lot more to come.